It's been another challenging year across many industries, including financial services. We've seen significant shifts in global events which have impacted on supply chains. The impact to household expenses through rising inflation and the increase in interest rates has created a difficult financial market, which is still feeling the impact of the COVID pandemic. Credit Union SA continues to ride these waves really well, with our strong risk management focus and capital position providing us a stable base for our members to achieve their financial goals. Certainly, we are forecasting some challenging times ahead, but Todd and our team are continuing to focus on how we can best serve our members through the next 12 months. Helping South Australians thrive is our core purpose, and we want to help each of our members thrive through their experiences with us. It's been a busy year, and we've been excited to welcome a number of new members, in fact, about 3,000 new members. We also helped 400 members buy new homes. 150 of those were first home buyers. Over the course of the year, our Member Experience Centre and branch had over 120,000 interactions with our members through phone calls, emails, and the web chat service. I do understand that there's been some challenges in recent months with our call waiting times. We've experienced higher than expected call volumes, and like many other organisations, we've been affected by staff availability through ongoing impacts of the COVID pandemic. We've been working hard to address this issue to improve the service to our members, including increasing our staff numbers and making improvements to our call centre service to allow us to call our members back rather than waiting on hold. These actions have now returned our call waiting times to our expected levels. Our Member Experience Centre remains a key connection point for our members, and I hope you'll agree that our service provided by our staff is exceptional and well supported by our King William Street branch, where you can visit if you'd prefer to address any queries in person. For those members who can't access our branch, our teams in the Member Experience Centre can assist you with any of your banking needs and are available until 8 p.m. on weeknights and between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Saturdays. We want to continue to deliver to a very high standard for our members and to always be valuable, to grow our community, to inspire confidence and get personal to help you achieve your goals. Todd will talk later about our focus on continuing to simplify our processes and to provide you with the best possible experience. We are proud of the role we play in the community and the meaningful contribution that we make to our members' lives. Our School Community Rewards program reached an important milestone this year and has now delivered over $500,000 in donations to our participating schools. This is such a wonderful program that makes important contributions to school communities. We look forward to expanding this program to community organisations and workplace banking over the course of the next year. If you are at all interested in participating for your school, workplace or community organisation, please get in touch with Joe and the team here. We continue to proudly support our charity partners, the Zara Foundation, Feast Festival, SALA, South Australian Living Artists Festival, and St John's Youth Services. We've been involved in a range of activities with these wonderful organisations, including funding driving lessons for at-risk young people through the St John's Youth Services driving program. A huge number of our staff participated in the Zara Foundation Women on the Run event, fundraising for critical programs to help break the cycle of family violence. And we've been covering the registration for participating schools for the SALA Festival to make arts accessible to everyone. We also recently commenced a partnership with Food Bank, with many of our staff volunteering at their distribution centre. We're really proud of these contributions that are meaningful to the South Australian community through these organisations. Whilst we certainly don't operate and develop products with the focus to be recognised publicly, It is lovely when we are recognised publicly, and it has been wonderful to be recognised over the past year with a number of awards. Lender of the Year, as awarded by Keyland for our ongoing relationship with the broker network. InfoChoice Car Loan Lender of the Year. Most Competitive Bank, Best Customer Service and Most Recommended Deposit Account from DBM Consultants Australian Financial Awards, and we were recently awarded Australia's Best Credit Union by Mozo. What is most pleasing about these awards is that we've been recognised for our ongoing focus on member experience and the competitiveness of the products we offer. One of the ongoing priorities for Credit Union SA is to ensure that we are identifying and managing risk within our organisation. We continue to play our role in identifying and disrupting criminal activity through our anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism finance program. Unfortunately, the sophistication of cyber attacks is increasing, and such attacks are becoming more frequent. We've seen the significant impact of this in recent times. We provide ongoing education and information to our members on the latest scams and provide support to anyone who may be affected. We are also pleased our information security was thoroughly audited this year, with Credit Union SA achieving excellent results. Our members can be assured that their dealings with us are safe and secure. In addition to keeping our members safe, we also continue to support those going through hardship and to help our members get back on their feet when needed. At this point, I'd like to thank my fellow directors for their efforts this year. We have some new faces around the board table this year, and both have contributed enormously to the board with fresh ideas. The board currently comprises 4 member-elected directors and 3 appointed directors. Board-appointed directors are appointed to provide expertise in support of and to provide the experience required by the board to ensure that we are able to take the credit union forward and to achieve our goals. Our 3 board-appointed directors are Director Dewsnap, who was appointed in February 2019, Director Small, who was appointed in October 2021, and Director Anderson, who was appointed in February of this year. Our board undertakes annual performance reviews, providing the opportunity for directors and our executive team to provide honest and open feedback on the performance of the board as a whole and as individual directors. We understand the ongoing focus on governance by our regulator and feel we are well placed with our governance framework assessment and the establishment of our first environmental, social and governance framework to document our achievements and our areas of focus for the next 12 months. Of course, board succession planning remains an ongoing job for our governance committee and the board, as a number of directors are nearing the end of their tenure as set out in our board policy. It's been important for us to focus on stability over the past few years, and we will continue to refresh the board over the next few years. I'm pleased to present our financial results for financial year 2022. Our net profit was $1.762 million, which was slightly lower than the previous year, but a very strong result considering the range of external challenges outside of our control. Member and asset growth continued with a strong finish to the end of the financial year, driven by very high housing settlement volumes. Our focus has been on ensuring a strong, profitable organisation, at the core sustainably producing profits that we can continue to invest in our member experience, particularly in digital projects that will keep our service contemporary and as streamlined as possible for you, our members. In closing, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the commitment of the board, our CEO, our executive management and staff, and to thank them all for their hard work during the year and for their continued focus on our members.